Welcome guys. Let's do Zirex token technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my new charts and price targets. So please watch it complete. Current rank of Zirex is 174 and price of Zirex is $1.20 right now. It is BEP20 token and it is ordered by Certic. It is a secure token. Market cap of this token is $381 million, which is very huge. Fully diluted market cap is $1.1 billion. That is great. 24-hour trading volume of Zirex is $70 million. That is good. And circulating supply of Zirex is 317 million. And maximum supply of Zirex is 972 million. It is exchange-based token and it is Indian exchange, and it is native token of Indian Zirex exchange. That is why this token is very important to me. All-time high of this token was on April 5, 2021, about 8 months ago, and price was $5.94. All-time low of this token was on March 13, 2020, about 2 years ago, and price was just 5 cents. And it is available on these exchanges: Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io. And if you want to buy this token on Binance exchange, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get this Binance exchange link. Click on this link and create your account. And after initial deposit, you can get $710 bonus, which is absolutely free. You can also grab these bonuses, which are absolutely free, and these are tradable bonuses. Just click on these links, register your accounts, and after initial deposit you can grab these bonuses. Total bonus of $5,680. These bonuses are tradable. Just trade with these bonuses only. Put your seed money away, and this is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you my first chart. This is Zirex 4-hour chart, and here you can see it is at $1.20 right now, and it is in this falling wedge. It was broke this falling wedge, but no, it is again in this falling wedge. It is a bullish pattern. Once it broke this upper trend line, in that case it have to break this resistance level, which is at $1.34 price level. After that, second resistance it can face at $1.56 price zone, and third resistance it can be faced like $1.72 price area. Technical target of this falling wedge is the beginning of this falling wedge, which is $1.72, and it is the extreme target. And these targets are immediate short-term targets. Zirex can hit these targets within some days. That is why it is very important. And if Zirex coin fails to break this, in that case next support zone is that area, which is $1.13 price area. And let me please zoom this and let me please show you other support levels. And after that, next support is at 1.5 to 1.6 cents price area, and after that next support is at this area, 99 cents, or you can say $1. These are strong support levels and these are resistance levels, you can say targets. And we have to wait for this breakout. Once it break out towards upside, in that case it can easily hit my targets. Let me please show you volume. There is very less volume. We need strong volume confirmation, but unfortunately volume is very missing. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are below from this EMA ribbon. Once candle closing above $1.26 price area, in that case it will break this EMA ribbon, and after that price will go up. Until now we have to wait. And let me please show you RSI. 4-hour RSI is at about to hit 50. It is a good sign. Once it cross 50, in that case it will be very nice and it will be very good for this token's price. MACD is at MACD crossover towards upside and green towers are coming. That is indication that price definitely will go up after this. And these are the levels, guys. Note down these levels. These are immediate short-term targets. And if I calculate this target from according to the support and resistance base, next target can be this area. Here you can see these are the targets. Note down these targets, and these are support levels. Let me please show you daily chart. This is WazirX daily chart, and here you can see it is main trend line, and these are major support lines. Currently it is at $1.20 price zone, and next support zone is $1.13. After that $0.97, and after that $0.80. These are three major support areas, and once it broke this upper trend line, in that case it will be bullish. Until now we have to wait. It can face some resistance in at that point, which is $1.36 price zone. Once it broke this $1.36 price zone, in that case next target will be like this. Well, let me please show you. In that case next target can be this area. Here you can see previous resistance $1.16, and after that it can easily hit this area $2.08. Note down these areas. Let me please show you EMA ribbon and some other indicators. Volume is missing. We need strong volume, but daily volume is very low. EMA ribbon. Candles are below from this EMA ribbon. Once daily candle closing above $1.38 price zone, in that case it will break this horizontal resistance as well as this EMA ribbon. In that case definitely it would hit my targets. Until now we have to wait. Maybe we may see some sideways action in WazirX price. Let me please show you other indicators. Daily RSI is at 41. Once it cross 50, in that case this will be good for this token's price. And MACD crossover was towards downside, but now towers are changing their color. Once crossover towards upside is happen, in that case definitely price will go up. Otherwise we have to wait. And let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is CPR indicator, and it is very important indicator to me. Here you can see candles are at bottom of this CPR low target, which is $1.12, and it is now turning as a support. These yellow lines are main CPR supportive lines and main CPR lines. One candle closing above $1.40, in that case it is ready to hit these targets. These blue lines are monthly CPR targets. You can say monthly bullish targets. First monthly bullish target of WazirX is $1.64. Second is $1.85. Third is $2.15. But for this it have to break this area. This area is very important, $1.36 price area. Once daily candle closing above this area, in that case $1.36 price area is very important. In that case definitely it can hit these targets. Until now maybe it will move sideways. If unfortunately price broke this, in that case 97 cent will be next major support, and after that this is major support, which is $80 80 cents price zone, and after that last bearish target is 63 cent. But I don't think price can go down to hit these levels. I think it can hit these levels very soon, $1.40, $1.61. After that these targets. Let me please show you my third chart. This is WazirX weekly chart, and it is in this range, still in this range, and this range is at, let me please, $1.70 to $93 price zone. Once it break this horizontal resistance, which is $1.70 price area, in that case our target will be like this. $2.60 will be the target. Until now we have to wait. Maybe price can hit this zone again, and after hitting this zone price move towards upside. But if this happen, in that case it will be very bearish. I have mentioned all support levels. Note down these levels, and let me please mark these areas. Let me please show you target for this bull run. Let me please fix it. It is at its bearish zone. Once it cross $2.14 price area, in that case it will break to 0.23 Fibonacci level. Next level is 0.38 and it is at $3.04 price area. After that 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is very important, and it is at 3.76, and after that 0.61, which is golden pocket, and it is at $4.49. After that 0.78, which is $5.52 price area, and after that one Fibonacci level, which is $6.8 price area. I think it can easily hit again its all-time high $6 to $8 is my target for this bull run, and it can easily hit again these targets. This is my realistic target. $6 to $8 price area is very realistic target, and these targets it can easily hit in this bull run, and these are very realistic target. This is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, share this video with all of your crypto community and crypto friends. Please like this video, please share this video, and if you want to grab these bounces, $5,680 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's description or comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free bounces. Just create your account. After deposit you can get these bounces. You can trade with these bounces. These are tradable bounces. Just trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away, and this is risk free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.